My heart goes out to the people of Keaton Beach, Steinhatchee, Cedar Keys, and all over the surrounding area here. And as you can see, the people coming in, trying to help the people, trying to see all they can do for them. Literally 60 miles from here, where I'm from, Tallahassee, it could have definitely, easily, all of this could have happened to us. So that goes to show you to be thankful of everything that you got. But the people that going through what they're going through here is devastating. And like I say, my heart goes out to Keaton Beach, Steinhatchee, Cedar Keys. Things that they built took life to build up, it left in just minutes. Alright guys, welcome back to Living Life Daily with Jay. As of right now, we're heading to Perry, Florida to see do our part in helping the people over there in Taylor County, Steinhatchee, Keaton Beach, and with this hurricane. And also we're going to go over. Right now we have back there, we have food, water. Back on the back, we got chicken in the back. And we're doing our part, so we're gonna head over here. Hopefully we can get in there to see what's going on. We don't know if they got power yet or where we're gonna end up. But right now, we are heading there. So y'all are riding with me, and y'all will see me when I get there. All right, guys, we out here at Rosehead Park. Right here, got chicken here, mashed potatoes. We're doing bread and some water here. Just doing my part, guys. Out here at Rosehead Park. Alright guys, we are out here at Piney Z right after the storm. And we're going to see how the fishes are doing today. Check it out guys, first time out here at Piney Z. Want to check out some fishing sites. Some people are already out here exploring right after the storm guys, but we can get out here ourselves. Check it out, guys. Look at that view, guys. Look at the view out here. Got me a couple of reels. I got me on some worms. And we're going to get out here and see how the biting is doing. So, y'all are riding with me. Look at the view, look at the water is calm. Got it right here. Got an old bait right here on a, just go put it on bait on right here. This is what we're using. Just gonna slide them on right there. Work them down there like that, just like that right there, guys. Check it out. Want y'all to get a good view of that. And I'm using my, this is what I'm using today right here, guys. I'm using my 13-inch crappie pole right here. There it is right there. All right, gonna get it out there. Trying to get on some bites, guys. Gorgeous day. Lily pads everywhere. So we know it got to be some good fish hanging around out there somewhere. So hopefully we get on some bites, see what's out here. Seen a couple turtles earlier, so they could be chasing our fish away. But man, just imagine you got the fish right there under these lily pads right here. Just run out and strike your bait. Like I say, you got a lot of cloud coverage, everything right here. So it gotta be some fish in here. But like I say, I want to give thanks out to the people over there in Keaton Beach and Perry, Tallahassee, all them surrounding areas over there. That pray that everything went. Oh, guys, I know y'all saw that. I know y'all saw that. Ooh, it is on. I know you saw it. I know you saw it. Yeah, going back in, guys, because something tried to get me. I don't know what it was. Get me, no, he got me. So I'm going back in right here. I'm gonna load back up. Something tried to get me, guys. So we know something out here. I've been hearing a lot of talk about this place online and doing a little research about it, but I've been hearing a lot of talk about it. So I come out here to try it myself. But right there, guys. Right there's something tried to get me. So we're going right back to that same spot. Yeah, right here. Let's take to see that. Oh yeah, see that? Check it out. Yep. Just old Bream right here. Just old regular Bream, but not a bad start, but we're gonna send this guy back to get a little bit bigger, but not a bad Bream, guy. Yes, we're gonna send him back to try again. But look at the colors on it. Nice one right there. Out here at Piney Z, guys. Yes, sir. Got me another bait back up here. If I can get back out there and see what's going on. All right. Part 2, trying it again. The wind is starting to pick up, but we're going to enjoy it anyway, guys, out here. See what we got out here. Wait, I'm going to try to go a little deeper. Might be hanging out right on the deep end. Come on in here. See how deep it is out there. Right, come on here, about 5 feet deep now. Pull my cork up a little bit so we can try to get the depth here. Try to see where they at. It's about 5 feet deep right there. Right on the bottom of my cork laying flat. Go down just a little bit. Keep that initial bite. So I'm gonna pull them down just a little bit. Well, I'm gonna listen to get him though. He dealing with the right one right now. I don't know if he know it or not. I don't know if he know it or not. He dealing with the right one. Sun is coming out. Man, this is a good day. Yeah, I'm gonna switch up in a little while to a lily pad. I got a couple lures I want to try out here. But there ain't nothing going on right now, but get my bait stove out. Something real slick out here. I don't know where it is, but he is still in my bait, I know that. I have to go to a smaller hook. I go to a smaller hook then. Then I see it. I'm gonna go to after this right here. Oh, there we go. Come on. Come on, there you go. Might be already on got me. Uh-oh. Ooh! Got him. Got it. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about right there, guys. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about right there. Look at that brim. Nice. Nice one right there. That's what I'm talking about. Check it out. Yep. About as wide as my hand right there. Yep, check that out. Alright guys, I done got baited back up. Caught me on slabs. Nice brim. We're getting back out there. Oh man, that's what I'm talking about. Nice brim, guys. Oh, yeah. Getting out here enjoying it. I know I already got in because I missed that initial bite, but I'm going to get a smaller hook because oh, caught an old bass. Caught an old baby bass there. Right there. Oh, that little guy. Check him out, old baby. Babies. Wide mouth bass, large mouth bass, I would say. Yeah. here. Largemouth bass. Yeah. Alright, we'll let the little fella go. Go out there and get a little bigger out there. Yep, let the little fella go. See you another day. Let's get back on him. Let's go, baby. Come on. There you go. There you go. Come on. Get it. Baby fish. Kissing out here at these baby guys. Look at that turtle. Right here, a little baby one. Yeah. Alright guys, we're about to wrap it up and get up out of here. Come out here to Piney Z. Didn't have the best of luck with fishing. I caught one nice size wide by a big one, and we were going to take home and that we're going to fillet up. I got a great idea for it, but I'm going to come back out here with my boat, my therapy boat that I mentioned earlier in my videos. We're going to come out here and put out here and just ride around, see some of the sights, fish a little bit, and just enjoy it. But this is a perfect time to come out here right after the storm, Idalia, just to get out here, just to enjoy it. And man, I got a perfect way I'm going to cook this guy up. It's just a perfect little twist on the day. Many people say calm before the storm. This gonna be a calm little snack after the storm. But like I said, I'm going to wrap it up. We're going to get out of here. We're going to show you around, show you some of the sights out here at Piney Z, which is an awesome, beautiful place. But like I say, other than that, guys, we'll see you back at the house. Alright guys, we have made it back to the house from the beautiful Piney Z. That place is awesome out there. Here we go. This is one of the Breams, or the Bream that I caught out there. Check it out. That was a nice slab. Wish I'd have had a lot of these, but I'm going to get back out there and try some more of these. I got a couple of strategies I want to try out there to catch some more of these, maybe some bass. I didn't go out there to fish, but I went fishing, if that makes any sense. So I didn't have everything I needed to fish, but I took something out there just in case. And I did test the waters, and yes, there's some big waters out there. But I'm just gonna fillet this guy here up and make a old sandwich out of him. So I'm just gonna come behind the scale. The fin there, come down like that. And like I say, you want to just get the knife in there right on that backbone, and take your time to make sure you feel for that backbone. Put it up here so you can see it. Feel for that backbone and work your knife all the way down, right on top of that backbone. Get it? Just open it up and run your knife just like that. Right, just like that, guys. Just like that. Go down on the other side. Go over the rib cage like that. Hit the pin bone. Killing yourself. Right over the rib cage, guys. Ain't gonna be much, but because of that, they got a real pronounced rib cage there, but that's what you're left with right there. take it. I'm just gonna get this meat up off them just like this. It says not much, but it's gonna work with it today. There you go, right there. As you see, that's what we left with. Nothing. Set that over there. You have to go around all that right there real okay. So we're gonna do the other same thing to the other side. And behind the head meat, just take your time. Right on top of that. Right on top of that backbone, guy, run it all the way down. Take it, lift it up. Through the pin bones. Angle it back down. Little pin bone. Let's get it right on off of them. All the way back down. Get much off them this way, but there you go. There he is. That's all you left with right there. So you don't get much, but we gonna work with what we got. There you go. Just lay it right on off. That's what we got. We ain't got much of them, but we got enough to do what we gotta do. Feel for in the pin bone. We haven't got in it because I left all of them. Okay, there we is, guys. Okay, there we go. We got them all cleaned up. Got them right here, ready to go. Alright, the only thing we're going to do, we're just going to fry these up and get everything else prepared. But right now, I'm going to get my vegetables cut up. Tomato, onion, this right here. And I'm going to be making some on my own tartar sauce with the dill relish and the mayo. Got my side pickles, and we're just going to have some chips for the side of it. Go with it, and I'm gonna start cutting up my tomatoes. Okay, once again, guys, if I didn't mention, I want to mention what I filleted this fish with was my 9-inch Catch King here. They got different sizes. They got all kind of good pliers and all that to go with this knife. This knife is awesome. I've been using it throughout all my videos. This is a great knife, very sharp. And if you want to get yourself one of these knives here, I'm going to leave all the information about this knife in the description below. But right now, let's get this party started. Getting these vegetables cut up. Alright, we got all our vegetables and our tomatoes, onions, and lemon cut up right here. Getting ready. Oh man, this is gonna be going down real good. Now here are our fish right here. And the only thing I'm gonna do with that is I'm gonna be breading it, and I'm gonna be using right here, guys. This stuff is awesome on the fish. The Louisiana fish fry. It's already mixed and everything, so you don't have to do much to it. It's already seasoned, but it is good. Just if you wanted to, you can add a little something to it if you want it, but if you didn't want to, it's fine. So what we're gonna do, we don't need much because we only got 2 pieces right here, so we don't need the whole bag. So we're just gonna get just a little of it out of here. Just all the way up when we get it in there. And I tell you guys, we don't need much of this in here. About that much in there. That's all we'll need. And we just take our small fillets, I would say. Get like that. Just put them in there. And just seal this up. That's all we do, guys. That's it. Make sure all the flour stick to it, get a good coating. That's all we need. Alright, so while that's already ready, we're going to wait till our grease gets to 350 degrees, I'm sorry. And before we drop these in there. So, alright guys, it's going down. I done tested my grease, and it is ready. So, got my little baby fillet here. Just like shake off the excess. Lay it in there. It's not going to take long, but these are so small ones, so not gonna take but a minute on these or 2. Alright, so while that is going down, I'm gonna get you over here and start putting together my sauce, or I say my dressing. And we're gonna get a couple teaspoons of those, tablespoons, about that much. I'm gonna go in with the relish. Much of that right there, about that much right there. Alright, then we're gonna go in and just gonna mix this up. And it's coming together, guys. That's what you want. Alright, we'll set this to the side. Alright guys, check it out, check it out. It's almost done. We get about another maybe 10 to 15 seconds, we're gonna pull it out. And we're going to start simmering it, guys. It's looking good, looking good. Can you smell it? Alright, guys, here it is. There go these little fillets right here. Check it out, check it out. We're going to get some of the Sara Lee buns right here. And I'm just going to bake them a little bit, brown them up right here. I'm just going to take some of my butter right here, just like that. All I'm gonna do is this right there, guys. Just like that. Just gonna sit them up there right there. Take me another one. Just like that, guys. Yes. Put a nice brown on it. Yeah, can you hear it? Oh yeah. Alright, we'll get that going. As you see, like I said, I got my fillets here, my little baby fillets. We'll get that done, and we'll start putting it together. Alright, we're finna put it together. Put some of it right there. Need much on there. Alright. Now we're gonna go in with our lettuce. Check it out, guys. check it out, check it out. Tomato right there. And we'll put a couple of your onions right there. It's looking real, guys, and there it is. Star of the show right there. Check it out, guys, check it out. Star of the show right there. Okay, I'm just gonna close it up right here. Right there, guys, check that out. Then we're gonna put a couple of these right here just in case you want to hit it later. Right there. Add in, let's say, add in some of this real deal, these chips here. Not that much. Alright. Bring it on in, bring it on in. We're going to top it off with one of these right here. On the side, guys. On the side. Ooh, whoa. Check it out, guys. Check it out. I'm finna go ahead and get right into it. Get it right down here. And check it out, guys. Check it out. You already know that's gonna be good. You already know that. But hey, guys, like I say, going out there to Piney Z was awesome. Just catching this little Bream right here was awesome. I'll get a chance to go back out there because I'm not done with that place. That's just a great place to be at. Nice nature, beautiful place. I'm gonna get a chance to take my boat out there to go around the edges, go around and see what else out there. Maybe hook up some bass and things like that. But like I say, the small things like that, I encourage you to get out there, just fish, live it up, live your life. It don't take much to get out there and do it. Just, I had a Bream buster and some bait and just out there, just living right after the storm, guys. Everything had calmed down. Got out there to try it and caught me one, and I'm gonna give it to you right here. My opinion of it, right here. And guys, it's awesome. Great. Definitely be going back. I'll say if you haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button. It'll definitely help me out. Make me keep on making these videos for you guys. Getting out there and showing you good things out there. But until then, I will see y'all in the next one.